Haga conference ka balap long Hynnin ka Sngi ka Riew tarik Kuala Haja Arpulai balap penyai da Katamis Nadu People Front TPF Haroya Puram Arivagram po Chennai Katamil Nadu. Jingkren yatai halor san tli Khmat ki bana kaliang kan ka kanhun ki labu kerpang kita kilong ka paningkong man penremno ya ka sorkar ka bayasa ikisit niam bat ka basensyar donbor hapo kari. Kabaar ban wengi kam khayi lingba kinong khayi ki company ki badanbor hapo kari. Bat ban kentait no yaki kabalai ban yakun ni ka hok ban sensyar hi da ki trai muluk hapo ki jela hapo kari. Kabasau ka day bandan ya ka parliament ka bamno siliang yano ru. Bat kabasan ban pendu no sisendan ya ki bor jong gobernur kabalapan ko bor da ka bor jong ka sorkar kami. Hagan ka conference ka banakaliang ka TPF kalakot Kongsan kerpang ya ba Ardent milar pasoymoy presiden rangba jong ka party Voice of the People Party hapo ka jela. Ubaderu u MLA jong ka nongkram konstituensi. Lala ban ui sa sisin pat ikinong ilam bat kinong penya ya ka conference ki balap yang buram sa sisin yu nadu na lenti bat ki paiba ki balap lupai yu hagan ka jaka haswa ban sedang ka conference. Haga ba ka conference ladan ru ki Riew Semphang na ka tei ka jela UMP ka Lok Sabha na Chidambaram Parliamentary Constituency bat kiwei. Nagaliang uba Ardent milar pasaymot haba ay Jingkren ulat halain ting da ka ba uang pakade ka kamram jong kipadan haka bor sensyar ban pai ban kami ya ka jinglong kawei ka jinga song san bat ya ka jingelong teli jong kinong snong hapo kari India. Henry kepala pendiau mentah po gari kalong kajing persyang bantangin jubor kapatang kawai kajinget kawai kerkom im ya kipai ba nong snong hapo jong kari India.
Program with due respect to Dr. Chiruma Parliament, Member of Parliament who is also the President of BCK, and all the distinguished guests on the dais and my fellow countrymen. At the outset, I would like to express my sincere thanks to the organizers of this conference for associating me with this conference. I would also like to congratulate the organizers for having the courage to organize this conference on these 5 topics. So I would like to bring greetings from the members and leaders of my party, the Voice of the People Party, and also from the people of my state, Meghalaya. I would like to begin my speech with a reminder that we live in a free country and that each one of us is free as human being. I would also like to mention that the actual beauty of India lies in its diverse nature and characteristic. And that the strength of India lies in the unity of its people. India is proudly known as the largest democracy in the world. However, the question here is whether different cultures, traditions, and practices are allowed to thrive freely in this country and that the rights of the minority are respected. The reply is straightaway yes, till 2014, when the new dispensation came to power at the center. Efforts were made to throttle the freedom of the people, especially the rights of the minorities. We should not forget that the Constitution of India was adopted in the name of the people of India. It was reflected in the preamble of the Constitution of India, which says that we, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular